Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to swap Coinbase Wallet. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and confirm your balance, then pick the token you want to exchange. Tap Swap, choose the token pair, and review the estimated price and gas fees. Adjust slippage if needed to prevent failed trades. Confirm the details, approve any token permissions, and submit the swap while monitoring network confirmation in the Activity tab. Start by checking the token contract and symbol to avoid duplicate scams and fake tokens. If the token is new, swap a tiny amount first to confirm the route and gas cost. Make sure you have ETH or native chain currency to cover gas, and enable token approvals only when necessary. Use moderate slippage for volatile assets and avoid routing through many tokens to reduce fees and front-running risk. Choose the tokens and amount, then carefully review the route and estimated price impact shown by the app. If price impact is high, adjust the amount or wait for better liquidity to avoid losing value. Set slippage tolerance based on token volatility and confirm the exact fee you will pay. Approve any token permissions, sign the transaction, and watch the swap finalize in the Activity tab to ensure success and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.